Hi, my name is Nitin Gupta. I am from Veloce Herbals Private Limited as a managing director of the company. This is my third as exhibitor with CMPL, and it's been always a great opportunity for being here, while connecting with the investors, while connecting with the clients and the vendors from all over India and from all over the world. And I'm grateful to be here. We are into basically into Ayurvedic manufacturing, and maximum we have most of the volume is from juices. We are manufacturing for India's leading brands like Binat, Capiva, Goodcare, Wansaar, and we are in the exports too. And we are exclusively exporting for Baidranath with tie-up with Vadilal in USA, and we are good in juices. It was always being great with CMPL, as we are always upgrading our means stall with from 9 meter to 30 meter, and planning to expand more with CMPL. It was always a great being here with CMPL. Thank you, CMPL. Yeah, clients are always demanding something new and new with the every year coming with the competitions in this market. Now they are searching for diluted form. They are searching some different segments. How the people scenario can change from juices to something else. People are searching for the small things which people can carry easy in the Ayurveda, and we are into the means innovation industry. We have to keep innovating every time and every year. Very thank you, CMPL. It's been great being here. It's always a great being here. Thank you.